Hey all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and for today's video what we're going to be doing is unboxing our premium Boxycharm. I know you guys are always waiting for the Boxycharms every month, so if you're interested in what I got, just keep on watching. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm so excited to post new videos for you guys. I just want to let you know that I am going to be posting the giveaway video this weekend because we're basically right at 100. So I'm going to go ahead and get that video up this weekend for you guys. You're really going to like what's in the box, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's go ahead and jump into our unboxing. Get my scissors and crack her open. Let's grab the card and see what it says. It's Boxycharm Mother Nature. And always on the back of the card it tells you what is in your box, what variation you got, as well as the prices of everything. I did get variation 44, so I'm going to leave that here so I can tell you guys what everything is. And I'm going to go ahead and just grab the first thing in the box. Okay, so I got the Battington brushes. Now, I feel some type of way about these brushes, okay? They feel really nice. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off. This is what they look like. They have beautiful gold handles. They are lightweight, but they feel, you know, sturdy. They don't feel cheapy choppy, as we would call it. Me and my husband, cheapy choppy. They have very nice bristles on them. They feel really nice. Now, the only thing with these brushes, in my opinion, I feel that these are very overpriced. On the card, it says Battington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. High Performance Powder and Contour Brush Set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessory. Contouring brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, define like a pro. They say these brushes retail at $90. $90 for two brushes. Are they Gucci or are they Battington? I think this month they inflated the price to make it seem more than what it really is. But then again, I'm happy to receive brushes. I never turn away brushes, so I really enjoy these brushes. I will put them in my collection and they will get use. Let's go ahead and grab the next thing in the box, and it is Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, and it says peony on top. The packaging is very cute. I can say that. Packaging super cute. It smells really nice. Feels nice. Doesn't feel sticky, but it feels thick enough where it will moisturize your lips. Smells really good. It says Tarte Sugar Rush Can't even read today. Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. And it retails for $12. I think $12 is a good price for this. I actually bought a whole bunch of Wet n Wild stuff from Ulta because it was on sale. And I actually picked this up. I don't know if you guys have ever used this before, but it's really good. And this was like under $2. And it's pretty much the same thing as that. But on the card for that, it does say you'll have the real MVP, most valuable pout, With this hydrating butter lip balm, your lips will look as good as your perfectly created IG feed. I don't have IG. Moving on to the next item in the box. This is actually my choice item that I had picked. I was kind of upset because I wanted the matte one, and then they emailed everybody afterwards saying, oops, we made a mistake. It's the Soleil. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. It has a little heart. And that's what she looks like. Now, it is shimmery. You can obviously see the shimmer in it on the swatch. Let me put it on my hand. It is very glowy. I know a lot of people's videos, they didn't swatch it well, so it was hard to see the glow in it. But girl, I know you can see the video here, and it is glowy AF. I don't know. I don't know if I'm really gonna like that. I'm more of a matte kind of bronzer girl, but I like my glow in certain areas. I don't want my whole face to be glowy. It's definitely glowy. Look at that. You guys can see it. Like, it is glowy AF. So if you're not into glowy bronzers, then this is not going to be for you. I mean, I got it. I'm going to try it. Maybe with some matte setting spray or something, it will tone it down. Don't know. But if I end up not liking it, then I'll just sanitize it and give it to a friend. Let me read you the card. Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. And by the way, it does smell really good. The best-selling Chocolate Soleil Bronzer just went gold. Bathe your skin in a long-wearing golden glow with this cocoa powder-infused bronzer created with real shimmering gold that smells like a chocolate dream. MSRP, $30. Let's move on to this. It is the Kevyn Aucoin mascara. I'm not even going to open it because I am not going to use it. To be completely honest with you, I'm very picky with my mascaras. I've seen people open them on their channel. The wand is not what I would prefer. So this is going to go into a future giveaway. But I will go ahead and read you the card. It says Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. The Expert Mascara has a weightless formula that is buildable and leaves lashes to their fullest. And while being soft to the touch, even after multiple applications, it is formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. And it retails for $29. And you guys will be getting that because I'm giving it away. I love giving you guys some stuff. Okay. This was another item I had some type of feelings about, as well as with the brushes. I feel like this is not a full-size product. We pay $35 a month for Boxycharm. It is a monthly subscription, so we're paying $35 every month for this premium box. To give you a idea of the size. Let me know what y'all think about that. And it's literally tiny, guys. I mean, it's cute. Don't get me wrong. It's really cute. And I'm very grateful to be able to afford this box every month and get the items that I get. So I don't want anybody to think that I'm not grateful for what I get, because I absolutely am. But I love Boxycharm a lot. And I hold them to another type of standard than I would hold Ipsy and whatever, because they've always been the best. I can't even get this stupid plastic thing off that they put on the top, but it's a really pretty color. Okay, got it off. And in camera it looks really burgundy, but in person it also has like a gold glitter in it. That's what it looks like. It is like an oil. It's really pretty. I would use it for my lips more than anything, I think. I don't think I would use it on my cheeks, but I'll try it for you guys, just so you can see it. And that's obviously because I don't like glow in certain areas. I want my glow where I want it. But it gives you a really cute flush of color. The color that it is really cute. Could say that. And you probably can put some translucent powder, like just put a quick sweep over it, and it won't be so bad. But other than that, I really like it. But I think I would use it mostly on my lips. It's very nice on the lips. Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow. Antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. Wear on cheeks as a glowy blush or lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits in your bag, pocket, tiny apartment. Okay, and it retails for $15. So they're already letting you know it's the mini size. So I thought everything we get in this box is supposed to be full size. Am I wrong, guys? What do y'all think? Let me know down below. And then the last item in the box is going to be the Kat Von D Ink Well Liner in the shade Dark Wave. Oh, it's like a liquid eyeliner. I am not gonna even open it because I won't use it. I don't use blue, so I will put that back in the box and it will go into a giveaway, and I will read about it for you guys. It says you want to hear some crazy stuff? That is not even in my card. It says that I was supposed to get the Pure Heal Scintilla Ampule Serum. I think I would have been a lot happier with the serum than this eyeliner. Nowhere on my card does it say the KVD eyeliner. It says I was supposed to get the serum. I mean, everybody makes mistakes, right? I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think down below. I'm also going to leave in the description what my box's weight was, along with the total value of the box for the items I got. I will have to look this up and see how much that costs, since I did not get the serum as stated on my card. So I don't know if they gave me the wrong item or if they gave me the wrong card. I'm not really sure. But other than that, I think I'm keeping pretty much everything besides these two items. So these will go into the giveaway. I'm not sure which one. You'll have to stay tuned and watch for that. And then other than that, I hope you guys like the video. Let me know down below what you think of my box. Let me know what you got in your box this month. Also, what your thoughts are on all the items. And also, if you would be so kind to comment, like, and subscribe, I would really appreciate it, as it does help me out. And it lets me know what you guys want to see, so I can keep posting that content for you. So until the next video, guys, I love you. Stay safe and bye.